हाय फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग मैथमेटिक्स शो में। हम बदलते हैं आपकी सोच, हम बदलते हैं आपका नज़रिया, हम निकालते हैं डर आपके मैथमेटिक्स का। मैथमेटिक्स इज़ नॉट अबाउट नंबर्स, इक्वेशंस, कॉम्पिटिशंस और algorithms. It is about understanding. हमारे नए नए वीडियो के लिए सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकॉन पे क्लिक करना मत भूलिए। Welcome friends in the session of these lines and angles. Today we are going to see some geometrical conception. We are going to see some geometrical conception here. In that today we are seeing a point. Point is also one type of a geometrical concept. How it is point? Now you see here a definition. A fine and a teeny dot made by a sharp pencil on a paper or a very sharp tip of a needle, or very small hole made by a pointed piece. अभी कौन सा भी एक पॉइंट लीजिए. We have drawn here the one teeny dot. This is the teeny dot. This is also a point. It is made by either sharp pin or a sharp pencil or any type of a needle. Now this is a dot we have drawn. This is also a point. This is the point. It is made by a sharp pencil. कौन सा भी पेंसिल जो है उसका शार्प जो लीड जो रहता है उससे हम यहाँ निकालते हैं. दिस इज अ पॉइंट. दिस इज अ पॉइंट. दिस इज ऑल्सो पॉइंट. दिस इज ऑल्सो पॉइंट. ये भी पॉइंट है, ये भी पॉइंट. सो we have seen here the definition of fine and the teeny dot made by any sharp instrument. That may be pencil, that may be needle, tip of a needle, that may be a pointed pin. Now next one is a lines or line. It is a geometrical object which is a one-dimensional figure. It is a one-dimensional figure. Straight, infinitely long and infinitely thin. ये कैसी है ये? It is a geometrical figure. Geometrical figure है ये, geometrical object है which is one-dimensional. See here, this is a line. It is a straight, one-dimensional is this. And you know very well that the three-dimensional that are known to us. Two-dimensional figure is also there. Here it is a one-dimensional figure. So it is a one-dimensional straight. This is a straight. Infinitely long and the infinitely thin. It is infinitely long. This arrow shows that it is a infinitely long. ये arrow जो है इसका मतलब कैसा है? It is a infinite. You can draw, you can extend this also. You can also extend in this way also. So it is a infinitely long and infinitely thin. यू कैन ड्रॉ दिस इन्फाइनेटली थिन, बहुत ही बारीक रहती है ये। नाउ अनदर concept is a plane। अभी ये प्लेन कैसा रहता है देखिए, हाउ इट इज प्लेन, इट इज अ फ्लैट सरफेस ऑन विच अ स्ट्रेट लाइन जॉइनिंग एनी टू पॉइंट्स ऑन इट वुड होलली लाई। अभी ये इस प्रकार का फिगर जो है, इट मे बी अ स्मूथ वॉल भी रह सकता है ये। उसके बाद में ब्लैक बोर्ड भी है। एग्जाम्पल यदि हमको लेना है, इफ वी हैव टू टेक अ एग्जाम्पल, देन वी कैन टेक अ एग्जाम्पल, इट इज अ स्मूथ वॉल। आफ्टर दैट ब्लैक बोर्ड, टॉप ऑफ अ टेबल जो है उसका टॉप पोर्शन, शीट ऑफ पेपर, ऑल दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ प्लेन। It lies in this way. This is a plane flat surface. You can also extend in this way also, in this way also, in this way. It may be smaller or bigger. It can be also a plane. It can be also a plane also. So these are the examples of planes. So we have seen here main geometrical concept, point that we have seen, lines, and another is a plane. लाइन का भी देखा था हमने। लाइन में कौन कौन से एग्जाम्पल आ सकते हैं आपके, इट इज अ एज ऑफ पेपर जो है उसका एज, सी आर हियर, दिस इज edge of a paper. This is also an example of the line. Intersection of two walls. दो वॉल जो है उनका इंटरसेक्शन यदि आप देखेंगे, कॉर्नर, इट विल बी अ लाइन। पीस ऑफ थीन वायर जो है उसका एक टुकड़ा, एंड हाउ इट इज, इट शुड बी द टाइट एंड स्ट्रेच। So these are the examples of the lines. Planes का भी देखा था हमने, it is a flat surface. The best example is a blackboard. Now you see another type of portion, that is the axioms or postulate. Postulate और axiom किसको बोलते हैं? A statement which is universally true. ऐसे स्टेटमेंट कैसे जो विच इज इन यूनिवर्सली ट्रू, विच वी नीड नॉट प्रूव, इट इज कॉल्ड एज द एक्सिम। ऐसे स्टेटमेंट जो यूनिवर्सली ट्रू है उनको हमको प्रूव करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। जैसा लाइन्स है, दो लाइन्स जो है उनका इंटरसेक्शन जो है, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू सी हियर। Now which are these? Infinite number of lines can be drawn through a given point. एक जो point जो है, this is a one point. Through that point we can draw number of the lines. One line which we are drawing here. After that we are drawing another line. This one line also. You can draw number of lines, means infinite lines you can draw. एक पॉइंट में से आप क्या infinite lines जो है निकाल सकते हैं, number of lines which you cannot count it. That's why we say that these are the infinite number of the lines. Infinite number of lines can be drawn through a given point. दूसरा वाला जो है हमारे पास, देयर इज अ वन एंड ओनली वन लाइन पासिंग थ्रू अ टू डिस्टिंक्ट पॉइंट। अभी हमने यहाँ दो पॉइंट लिए, वी हैव टेकन हियर टू पॉइंट्स, पॉइंट ए एंड पॉइंट बी। नाउ यू ड्रॉ लाइन। अभी हमको क्या निकालना है, लाइन निकालना है। लाइन निकालेंगे अभी। दिस लाइन वी हैव ड्रॉन, दीज आर द 2 पॉइंट्स ओनली। देयर इज अ वन एंड ओनली वन लाइन। सिर्फ आप एक और एक ही लाइन जो है निकाल सकते हैं। यू कैन ड्रॉ वन एंड ओनली वन लाइन। 2 पॉइंट में से एक ही लाइन जो है ये क्या जा सकती है, एक लाइन से ज़्यादा लाइन जाएंगी नहीं। नेक्स्ट पोस्टुलेट इज when two distinct lines intersect, their intersection exactly a one point. Point of intersection of two lines is a point. Now see here, when two distinct lines intersect, this is the one line and this is the another line. Now you see here, their point of intersection is this point, point O. दो लाइन का पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन जो है ये वाला है, पॉइंट O. सो देयर इज द ओनली वन पॉइंट। इस प्रकार की जो लाइन जो इंटरसेक्ट होंगी उनका इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट कैसा रहेगा, एक ही रहेगा। देयर इज द ओनली वन पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ द टू लाइन्स। Now you see fourth postulate, how it is. There is exactly one plane passing through a line and a point not on a line. There is very important. There is exactly one plane passing through a line and the point not on a line. Now you are seeing here, you have taken, now you are seeing here, this is the one point, this is the another point, this is the third point, and these are the three non-collinear points. Non-collinear आपको मालूम चाहिए, the points which are not in one line. ऐसे point जो एक लाइन में नहीं है. Now you are seeing that all these points are not collinear, they are non-collinear. So we have given a name P, Q and R. Such a type of points, they lie in only one plane. एक ही प्लेन में ये रहेंगे. There is exactly a one plane. Now you are seeing this plane. There is exactly a one plane. Now you see next postulate. Three non-collinear. There is exactly a one plane passing through a line and the point not on a line. Now you see here, there is a one point P. We have seen, we have taken a one point and this is a one line we have drawn. There is exactly a one plane passing through a line and the point not on a line. This is a line, and how it is, what is the position of point P? Position of point P is above a line. If such a type of a case arises, then there is a possibility of exactly a one plane that will lie in only one plane. Now you see a next postulate. There is exactly a one plane passing through two distinct intersecting lines. Now here we are drawing one line and another line which is this. Now you see this point of intersection of these two lines. दो लाइन जो है उनका पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन देखिए. सपोज दिस लाइन इज ए बी, दिस लाइन इज पी क्यू. Now you see here point of intersection of these two lines is this, and what will be the position of these two lines? It will lie only in a one plane. उनकी पोजीशन जो रहेंगी वन डायमेंशनल में कैसे रहेंगी? It will be in this way. It will lie in only one plane. Means point of intersection of two lines is a one point, and whole these lie in only one plane. एक ही plane में ये रहेगा. Now you see here on next. Now in the previous axiom or postulate we have seen point of intersection of two line is a point. In the similar way here, when two planes intersect each other, this is the one plane, see this, this is the one plane we have drawn, and the point of intersection is this. You draw another plane. How it is? You are seeing this. It is a line. This is the one plane, and another plane is this. One plane we are given a name, it is a A, and point B is here. A indicates this plane, B indicates this plane. When these two planes intersect each other, their point of intersection is always a straight line. उनका पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन कैसा रहता है? स्ट्रेट लाइन रहता है. Now you see next postulate. When a line intersect in a plane but does not lie in it, then their intersection is a point. Now we have drawn here one plane. एक प्लेन हमने लिया है, and there is a one line. It is not lying in that the plane. It is vertically in this way. ये प्लेन है, and this is a line L. This is a plane P. Now when this line intersects this plane, then this point of intersection of this plane and the line is this point, and it will come to this side in this way. जैसा हमने लिया कि एक कार्डबोर्ड लिया है, we have taken a one cardboard and we have taken a one needle and we are going to hole it. हम उसको क्या कर रहे हैं? होल कर रहे हैं. Then at that time this is a plane and this is the one needle. We are making a hole to it. So point of intersection, it will be this, and needle that will come out from this side. Our next postulate is line containing two given points of a plane lies wholly in that plane. Line containing two of a given points. दो points जो दिए, suppose we are given these 2 points and we are drawing this line, point AB, the name of line is AB. In such a case, a line containing two given points. There is a one line, and on that the one line टू पॉइंट्स आर गिवन, दो पॉइंट हमको दिए, लाइन पे दो पॉइंट दिए. इस प्रकार की सिचुएशन जब रहती है, देन एट दैट टाइम दैट होल फिगर लाइन कंटेनिंग दिस पॉइंट्स इट लाई इन अ वन प्लेन, एक प्लेन में ये रहता है. This one. So we have seen a postulate which are related with a geometrical concept. Now we are seeing another definition, that is a collinear points. The points which are in a one line. ऐसे पॉइंट जो एक लाइन में है उसको बोलते हैं हम collinear points. Suppose we have drawn here a one line. This is a one line, and on that line we have taken here points P, Q, R and S. In the above figure, P, Q, R, S are collinear points. So we can write here in the above figure. So in these we have a points P, Q, R, S. These are collinear points. Now you see another type of a definition, that is a non-collinear point. We have already seen collinear points. Its concept is exactly opposite to a collinear points. Three or more points are said to be a non-collinear if there exists a no line containing all of them. ऐसे वाले पॉइंट जो एक लाइन में नहीं है. Suppose we have drawn here one line, and on that line these are points Now see this point D and E, they are not in one line. So we can say that all these points are non-collinears. All these points, not exactly as we are seeing here ABC, then we can say that it is these are collinear. But when we are considering all these points, then at that time we can say that these are non-collinear points. In this
Now
case,
we are going
all
to
these
see
points
a
are
sum of a question.
non-collinear. In that, we have to utilize a concept which we have learned. For example, collinear points, non-collinear points, planes, some axioms. We have to utilize all these information here. Now you see a solution of it. In that we have given three non-collinear points. As we are seeing this question, and this question is related with non-collinear points. So you must know a non-collinear points. We have already taken it. So you take three non-collinear points PQR. Only three lines, and you can draw only three lines from these points. Which are these lines? These lines are PQ, QR and PR. So we have taken 3 points. Now see another type of question. How it is? Take 4 points A, B, C, D in a plane. Draw lines by joining different pairs of points. How many lines can you draw in the following cases? No, 3 of them are collinear and 3 of these points are collinear. We have given certain condition here. No, 3 of them are collinear. Now you see here first problem. Take 4 points A, B, C, D in a plane. We are taking here 4 points. These points are A, B, C, D. No, 3 of them are collinear. उसमें के 3 जो है ये क्या कोलिनियर नहीं चाहिए, मीन्स एक लाइन में नहीं चाहिए. Now you see here how many lines you can draw. You can draw first line now. See here, we have drawn first line. After that we have drawn another line. After that we have drawn third line. We have drawn another, that is the fourth line. After that we can draw this line. fifth line, and this one is the sixth line. Means we can draw 6 lines. Now after that, next is 3 of these points are collinear. उसमें के 3 जो पॉइंट है, now you see this condition, we are seeing this condition, now we are seeing this 3 of these points are collinear. दूसरी वाली जो कंडीशन है हमारी कैसी चाहिए, उसमें के 3 पॉइंट जो है ये क्या कोलिनियर चाहिए. 3 of these points are collinear. Now see here, we have drawn 3 lines, we have drawn 3 points, we have drawn here points A, B and the C, and we have taken another point, it is point D. 3 points should be in a one line, so we have drawn here. Now from through this point we are drawing one line. Now after that, second line, after that this one is third line, after that through this there is a 1, 2, 3, 4, so we have drawn 4 lines. You can write here. Now see, in this question, observe the given figure and write the set of all points which are collinear. We have to write a set of collinear points. Means you know that the collinear point, the points which are in a one line. एक लाइन में जो points है उसको बोलते हैं हम collinear points. So now write here a first set of all points. Which are in one line. Now first set is here Q, L, S, V. After that this set V, P, K, B. Now after that we are seeing this. Now after that V, S, L, Q. Sorry, we are drawn here. Now see. So we are drawn here V, S, L, Q or Q, L, S, V. After that this one V, P, K, B. We have drawn the points from this vertex. by taking vertex V. Now you consider the another vertex A. Through A, how many points are seeing here in a one line? This one. A is Pn. A is Pn. I see here fourth. ALMB. Now after that, which vertex that remain here? That is the vertex B. Now through this B, how many points are in one line? VPKB. After that, ALMB. So by applying this type of technique, we can solve various types of question that are the very important. You can use this concept while solving various types of question. Those students who missed our previous classes, you can see our previous videos. If you have any type of difficulty, you ask me in only a comments box. I will try to give your answer in only comments box. हमारे नए नए वीडियो देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकॉन पे क्लिक करना मत भूलिए। यदि आप सब्सक्राइब कर देंगे तो आपके बॉक्स में आपको बराबर नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाएगा कि ये वीडियो जो है आपके लिए पब्लिश किए हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर योर कोऑपरेशन। ट्राई टू लाइक दिस टाइप ऑफ वीडियो। आपको यदि ये वीडियो अच्छा लगता है लाइक कीजिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।